Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss bond enthalpy. Now we know very well that during the course of formation of a bond certain amount of energy is released, and in order to break any bond we need to supply certain amount of energy for sure. So what bond enthalpy is exactly? It is the amount of energy required, or one can say enthalpy change in a process of breaking of a particular covalent bond in 1 mole of gaseous molecules to convert those 1 mole of gaseous molecules into gaseous atoms or radicals is known as bond enthalpy. So whatever energy is required to break a covalent bond in 1 mole of gaseous molecules to produce 1 mole of gaseous atoms or radicals is nothing but the bond enthalpy of that specific species. Now consider, for example, consider the breaking of H2 molecule. When H2 molecule, 1 mole of molecules of H2 is needed to be and if you need to break the bonds in 1 mole of H2 molecules and to convert this into the gaseous atoms like this, then definitely we need to supply the amount of energy which is just equal to 436.4 kilojoule. So 436.4 kilojoule is the amount of energy required to break the bond in 1 mole of H2 molecules, ultimately to convert these into the gaseous atoms. Another example can be given is of Cl2 molecule. Consider 1 mole of chlorine molecules, and in order to convert these molecules, gaseous molecules, into the gaseous atoms, definitely we need to supply energy for that to bring about this conversion. Now whatever amount of energy required is found to be 242.7 kilojoule per mole. Thus this is the bond enthalpy of Cl-Cl bond, and 436.4 is bond enthalpy of HH bond in H2. So greater the requirement, I mean more is the amount of energy needed to break a particular bond, greater will be the strength of that bond ultimately. Thank you very much.